Hi everyone and welcome to another video. So in today's video we're talking about Igbo bride price. So why do Igbo women not really get married? Why do people not like marrying Igbo women? Is it true or is it a lie? Because people are marrying every Saturday, every Friday in fact, they are getting married as well, even Sundays. So what's going on really? What's this about? Okay, let's talk about it. Bride price, what is that? Now in the Igbo culture, when a man wants to marry a woman, so let's break it down. Specifics. When an Igbo woman is about to get married, the person that wants to marry her has to pay some money to the parents or to the community, basically her uncles and basically her ancestors that are still alive, including her parents. Now, this shows that it's not like they're selling the child, but child. I can't talk today. It's not like they're selling the girl or the woman, as we want to say, but it just shows that this is our culture. This is the way that you show that this person is worth it to you. You actually want to put something down before you take them from the parents. Now, in some people's culture, you have to pay a fair bit amount of money for this, while in some other cultures you don't pay too much. When I say culture, I mean villages. Now in my village you don't pay too much in Abia State, while in some states you pay a whole lot. I think states like Imo State, a number of states, maybe more, don't come for me, but that's the fact. All right, so how much can it be? It depends really. When we talk about the bride price, it's literally just a certain amount of money that is put down. When I was getting married, I believe that there was a bundle of money and then there was like 10 naira on top. Most times your people might just take the 10 naira and give the remaining money back. Some might take it all. In some people's villages, the money might be 1 million naira or more. Now, for those who don't know, 1 million naira might be around, maybe around 1,000 to 1,500 pounds. So you can change that to your currency. Maybe it can be that amount. So this is just the initial payment. Before you talk about paying money for the traditional wedding, for the court wedding, for the church wedding, if you're going to do all these. And these are not cheap. They can be up to 4 million naira, 10 million naira, 15, 20, it depends on you. Okay, now, because of this, some men obviously can't marry yet because they have to pay this amount of money. Not just once, not twice, but a lot of them. But bringing it down to bride price itself, many people argue that you're not selling your child, so why should I pay this amount of money? And why must it be so exorbitant? Like almost 3 pages of A4 paper full of lists of things to buy. 10 tubers of yam, 5 cows, 10 cockerels, 15 soap bars and things. Like, you're like, why? Mind you, if the man doesn't do this and they marry you or you guys abscond and get married, your parents will basically not have a say in the village. If there are meetings or important decisions to be made, they will not listen to him, because it's seen that he didn't do his due diligence to make sure that your husband that came to marry you paid them for you. Not even your parents getting the money, it's them, uncles and aunties and all that. So your dad will be like an outcast. So when it's time for the other uncles' kids getting married, your dad will not get anything from the share. Some people don't care, some parents don't care. Personally, I wouldn't care, to be honest. But some people care. Some parents, actually, this is a huge thing for them, and they will feel a lot of shame and sadness if they don't partake in these, sharings. So this has deterred many young men from getting married because they have to hustle hard to get money first. Some people want to get a house, get a car before they can marry, and this is a lot of project to take on. While in some other lands, like the Western world, there's nothing like bride price. And in some lands as well, the woman pays the bride price. So that is it about the bride price in Igbo land. Of course, there's many more involved in this. Even some villages and states have gone on strike talking about this. Well, in the video I saw, I'm not sure if it's real, telling their government to remove the bride price because it has cost many not to get married. It has cost many to get pregnant first so that they can get married without any issues. It has caused some to die in their husband's house who they didn't marry in the right way. And then when it's time to bury them, their family refuses to bury them. The corpse will be there until the man pays everything he didn't pay in the past. And this, you can imagine what that means. There's many more involved, many more involved. But if you know of any stories or any things that can be a hindrance to marriage happening, or even any bad thing that can happen in the future because the bride price was not paid, please put it in the comment section so that others can learn. So I can learn as well, because obviously I'm just from Isoch. That's all I know. I just know my culture. I don't know much about others. So please share with us. Let us know. Put it in the comment section so that we can all learn together. And I will see you next time. Bye.